To check your transaction history on Lakeside State Bank, you can follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you access your account information quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the official Lakeside State Bank website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the login button typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 3. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, look for the Accounts or Account Overview section in the main menu. This section will display all your accounts linked to your online banking profile. Step 4. Select the desired account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ISRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. View transaction history. Look for the transaction history or recent transactions option. Click on it to see a list of your recent transactions, including dates, amounts, and descriptions. By following these steps, you can easily access your transaction history on Lakeside State Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.